To remove the quotation marks around names in the first column, we can use the replace function within the formula tool to replace the quotation marks with no character, thereby getting rid of them. We attach the formula tool, choose the name field to update on the Functions tab, choose the name field to update, open up the string functions, and look for the replace function. We're going to double click on it to drop it into the expression area. The string is highlighted, and so we're going to select the field that we want to update. We go to Variables, Existing Fields, and select Name. Double click on it to drop it into the expression. From here, we're going to identify the string we're looking for, which is a quotation mark. So we put that where it says target, and we put single quotes around it. If this was any other character, we could put it in double quotes or single quotes. Where it says replacement, we simply put an open quote, close quote to identify that we want to replace it with nothing, thereby removing it. When we run Alteryx, we can now see that the quotation marks are removed from the name field. Next, we'll need to get rid of the extra letter at the end of this zip code. We can remove the extra letter by simply taking the first 5 characters of the zip code starting from the left side. This will result in us dropping the last character when there are more than 5 characters in the zip code. To do this, we choose the zip code field as the output field in the functions. To do this, we go back to the formula tool and choose the zip code field as the output field. In the expression box, we go to Functions, String, and we choose the left function. Double click to drop it in, and where it says string, we replace with the zip code field. Where it says LEN, which stands for length, we type in 5. When we run the workflow, now we'll see the zip code with just 5 characters. Lastly, we're going to remove the currency symbol in front of the numbers in the amount field. This is somewhat similar to the first field, where we were getting rid of the quotation marks, but in this case, we have multiple characters to remove. We go back to the formula tool, select the amount field, and instead of using the replace function, we use the function called replace char. Double click to drop it down. The string is replaced with the amount field, and the Y is replaced with a list of characters you want to replace inside of the quotation marks. To do this, we simply just list out the characters, no need for a comma or delimiter in between them, but we make sure to put them inside of quotation marks. Then we replace the Z with the value we want to replace it with. We want them to replace with nothing, so that is represented by an open quote, close quote, basically nothing between the quotes. We see that the currency symbols are now removed. So this is 3 ways to remove extra characters dirtying up your data.